Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Napasha Lalwani. I'm head and neck cancer surgeon. So basically we see the ads, right? In every time we go for a movie, Mukesh, Sunita सबको पता है. So वो जो मुकेश सुनीता जिस disease को represent करते हैं, I treat that basically. So I'm surgeon. And apart from just being a surgeon, cancer is a disease which is multifactorial and it requires treatment which is multidisciplinary. So I also believe in holistic approach to cancer. That is why I not just operate cancer, I also believe in holistic approach to cancer, which includes from awareness, screening, treatment, rehabilitation and survivorship. So I totally believe in that form of treatment for a patient. I'm especially interested in preventive oncology, or you can say integrative oncology. So basically, whenever a person starts or initiates a habit, he comes into the risk category. And then it is very uncertain who will develop disease, who will not develop disease. So to overcome that uncertainty, it is important that we stop the habit at its induction. So that is where prevention comes into picture. We need to focus on prevention. And prevention, it is of three types: primary, secondary and tertiary prevention. So primary, we can all play a role. Even who is not related to medical field, they can also play a role, because it is something which starts before anything presents itself. Then secondary prevention, all of us healthcare professionals have a very important role, because it is not just about treatment, it is about psychosocial aspects as well, it is about financial aspects as well, it is about rehabilitation as well, how to maintain good quality of life. And then tertiary prevention. Tertiary prevention is again neglected, because once treatment is done, patients don't come for follow-up and they become casual. So whoever interacts with any patient who has undergone treatment, they should also be dealt with carefully. So being a surgeon, prevention is also my focus. Surgery alone cannot change the game. So we all need to come together and make this a holistic treatment, holistic approach. And at present, I have joined Shelby, Krishna Shelby, as a consultant head and neck cancer surgeon. Initially, I was in a group practice. That is how Praveen Bhai knows me.